job. Tabo Mbeki wants to the world. Don't tell us about giving us HIV drugs in South Africa. Give us money. Let us improve our agriculture. Let everybody have a job and is working and is living healthy. HIV virus will disappear. The same thing with coronavirus. It will sound very controversial, but they should know that I'm talking from sound intellectual and scientific background. The virus itself, the test method itself, the PCR test method, is an unreliable test method and it's never to be used for diagnostic purpose, but for genomic sequencing, for just research purposes. But PCR is being used, test kits are being produced, test kit manufacturers are making cool money. If I test you and you're coronavirus positive, what do? There is no vaccine today, there is no established, approved international treatment protocol. However, you have also announced that some people have recovered. Those people who have recovered, why don't you go and take their serum? Their serum shows that if they have recovered, it means they now have the antibody against the virus. So go take their serum, do a synthesis of their serum based on the electrophoresis and synthesize and mass produce the vaccine. Why can't federal government start putting money on the research on the production of that vaccine in Nigeria? We have professors of virology, intelligent Nigerian professors of virology, lying waste in the universities. With the money you have now, you can set up a proper vaccine production plant, a first of its kind, a world-class vaccine, and very easy. I teach immunology in a university, and what do? That healthy man that you say has recovered, you have discharged 19, you have discharged 20, they have recovered. That means that those people are strong and healthy enough that their antibodies they have generated, you can extract it and pass it through a Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, through a dictionary to establish the active ingredients, active immunoglobulins that responded to your the coronavirus. Then synthesize it in large quantity and mass produce it, and that becomes your vaccine.
As you can hear that, Obaseki do not want me to have peace. And he don't want me to rest. You have heard it. Obaseki is not a scientist. He's not a doctor. He's a governor, a former financial law firm in Chicago, Ponzi scheme architect, criminal mastermind, brain boss of all criminality. Governor Obaseki is the founder of terrorist organization in Edo State. Governor Obaseki succeeded of bamboozling the good people of Edo State, and he decided that was not enough. He's not getting a second time, but instead of that, he has nothing to lose. He wants to kill Edo people. That was not me speaking. Coronavirus, as of today in America, the death of coronavirus COVID-19 is more than 60,000 people have died in America. That is where I am. This is Mega Comrade, broadcasting live from Dallas, Texas. Today's date is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. As I am speaking from Dallas, American men and women, hardworking men and women have lost their life for COVID-19 pandemic in America. More than 60,000 and more than 1 million infected with coronavirus, tested more than 1 million. We did not see China. America did not call Chinese to be on the street of United States. Chinese did not donate 1 million, 2 million or mask to America. They did not take it. The last equipment the Chinese government sent to Holland was tested positive of COVID-19. Face mask. As we speak today, President Trump has opened investigation against the Chinese government. As we speak today. This is not President Trump virus. This is China virus. Italy. The first match Chinese sent to Italy was tested positive. That is why coronavirus spread in Italy. When they now find out the most popular black country in the globe, Nigeria. Nigeria have no coronavirus. They don't even have 10,000. Chinese decided that the first place they want to keep people is Nigeria, so that they can take our oil, take everything, and bring their 1.4 billion citizens to come and recolonize Africa. Who is the best person to use? Who will be the good English-speaking, eloquent guy that they can use? A criminal mastermind. Who can be able to brainwash Muhammad Buhari? Who can be able to brainwash Nigerians? Who can be able to brainwash Edo people? No other than a man that have nothing to lose. He has no grandchildren. He has no son. He has no daughter. He chooses not to have anything. He chooses not that he cannot have a child. He has nothing to lose. One man called corrupt, evil Godwin Obaseki. As the old word, even the people we call Zo, even so-called Fulani, herdsmen, they rejected Chinese offer. But Godwin Obaseki said he want them. Yesterday, Wednesday, April 29, Godwin Obaseki finally received and accepted the killing COVID-19 equipment from Chinese consulate. So, brothers and sisters, I want the whole world to share this video. This is what Igbodomigodo talk about immediately Obaseki become governor when he started using overstepping his boundary, continue to destroy people.
In such a way and manner that anybody that has the privilege of God and the people of Edo State to become the next governor of Edo State cannot just like a political Simkin the Swagger, cannot just like a political Mais Gloriosus, cannot just like a political Burakio, capriciously set aside the reforms and engage in a suo moto political peregrination.
That's all. That's it. Igbodomigodo have said it all. That's it. Affording. Igbodomigodo have already said it all. Godwin Obaseki have the privilege to become Edo State governor. What did he do? He turned Edo's politics to political mafioso. Political mafioso. So I want everyone to share this video. If you are watching from Facebook right now, I will advise you to go to YouTube. We are going to be broadcasting live on YouTube. We are going to cut off the Facebook very soon. I just want to share this for the whole world to see. This is Nigerians crying out, telling the whole world for the past 2 months or for the past 2 weeks, the whole world have been crying out, telling the whole world, do not use Chinese equipment. Even the masks they are making is infected with coronavirus. Do not accept any China offer. How can China? America is the best country in the world. They could not stop coronavirus. They refuse to take Chinese offer. Refuse to accept China to come and help. And Chinese continue to lie on the numbers. Later they said they tested new positive. What is it? Edo State have a less than 100 coronavirus pandemic patient. Why would Obaseki collect China equipment? After he said he spent over 1 billion naira. Really? But some Benin people not get essential. Some Benin people fool. If you do the book coin, kai. Some Benin people really fool way. Some Benin Edo State people, a lot of them don't get common sense. Common sense. That is the fact. Common sense. Lagos State that have even more COVID-19, but with the concern Chinese consular with Edo State all year. gas. Obaseki have invested his life in China. And nobody is speaking. If I didn't come out today, nobody will talk about it. So, I will hereby appeal to innocent Edo citizens, please, when anybody, whether na your local government chairman, they have been recruited by the Chinese. Edo State local government chairman, Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki SSA are agents of Demo. They have been recruited by the Chinese. They have collected money. We heard that allegedly we are hearing that China have paid Nigeria government, Obaseki, most especially Obaseki lion share. The money is in China to allow them to come and test to use their vaccine. They could not even use it on animal. They did not go to Chad. They did not go to Ouagadougou. They come to Edo State. They want to come to test their coronavirus. Rush vaccine on all of you. If you take China mask, you know what they're going to do? They're going to put it in the market. They are going to start selling it in Ring Road. China, terrorist Albert Obaze will be the advocate of the China killing vaccine. You know, it has a lying tongue. Oh, they are bad. Now we are tired. I go stop. I have done my best. Today I was going to talk of political pastor Sage Zeyamu and others, but now Obaseki problem have taken everything. No problem. Let's go. Good day, brothers and sisters. This is Mega Comrade. Breaking news: Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State accepted China coronavirus testing killing vaccine equipment yesterday in Osadebe Avenue. Chinese killing injection coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic fake decontamination killing equipment are now in Edo State. Please, brothers and sisters, this is Iran Amigo speaking from America. America have more than 1 million COVID-19 tested positive. More than 1 million, I repeat, more than 1 million, and more than 60,000 Americans have died on this pandemic. America refused to accept China help. Edo State have less than 50. Less than 50. Governor Obaseki did not get enough money that he wanted. He said, Governor Obaseki want to inject coronavirus on 4-point-something million people. In order for him to make money, he has nothing to lose. From today, any other tested positive coronavirus in Edo State, then you will know Governor Godwin Obaseki, terrorist Albert Obaze and his cabinet are responsible for it. Edo people, Edo. Olo de nivie China ame mini awu yari omanagmo yari opoto yari weni ame mini yari san ame mi okpa ekita oni evi hererihi evi okpa ro de China akpopo wanga yari ya omanagmo o etina wo hian areba ai Yari woman ya ga boy, awe ya ga boy, ya ga yeyon. Mi amena na vele la yangbe. Ario bamedo undano. No de. Ikpede iya nyagi. Wukie. Ukinogene. Wukbe 2020. Godwin. No kon ba se mo yiwo kon ye do se mo yiwe. No be Obaseki no we o kalo to arioba ona vivie China ivi yoko ekelo mugedo yi yana kun e trailer ya vie uhuni ado dame ni ado test ana vie adedo e mask ni a test e coronavirus o ma so oru gie no e mu ewedo ivie China ya vie ni aya ga agbari na o Obaseki all we councilor all we local government chairman Oga lu SSC deputy SSC Oga we lu wa do ya wa geri olode China Mamario America we ma why America we are war. Italy when the coronavirus bele China any akawa muri iye wa gai ono wa batali afefefe o imi no gulo do re New York Italy no ke New York re London no muno no ke London at New York Germany Spain no ke Spain at New York oze no na wa gba New York video o imi no egbele New York o alado mami wo ese ewe to tam wa ga video na ne ruwa bi wa edede mama obi edede hin obi eti oma hin wa gari olodari oba chana of your ere iye doctor emini ho ita na emini ho ita oba se ki doctor o ma yes ko doctor ora mi ya ruta me go no wa ni awa munari oba we wa gado test e gbo managbon moki gbara we yan we gian na test e so pon egbe iwie Nigeria ni amekina do fi ofigbo iva ya fe ni mame iwie China ogi eyan lewe ko iyan gwa lopolo iyan gwa lewiya o pe bana mama put restaurant ekela ebuka na nari ba o China iwi ma ni ko yen mo egbe ya le ba no ma iwie China iya ma boya ma we e wana gbon awon ya wa hi o gba video gba ya Oba seki China mu yeyi ohun da na we do tam wa menera no mi go wa gwana wa gari olod mask keka wa gari mi oba seki o ga fi wa gu wa ga ewe mi na fi gu wa ma we emi awon gbe wa dan bi o do wa wo geta wa dan mi no you no eta wa dan mi no ba seki you no eta wa dan bi o wagume pe bi edo wagume pe iba ma oge even na o mese eita even ni mieta wage o we pe ni Facebook because ya baba ya afian in Facebook reba
50,000 pieces of face mask 18,000
a television ogerima igbenedio omo na o wadam yo.
Receiving the relief materials, which include 350,000 pieces of face mask, 18,000 pieces of rapid testing kits, 10,000 medical hand gloves, 200 cartons of disinfectants and 40 sprayers, Governor Godwin Obaseki appreciated the Chinese Embassy and the Yanshin Steel Company Nigeria Limited for their support in the fight against the coronavirus pandemic in the state.
You are giving us 350,000 pieces of face masks. We really appreciate this. It will go a long way in our current efforts at screening, because everybody who goes to screen in our screening centers, we normally give them a mask and hand sanitizers. So this is going to help us restock our inventory, which was already going down. We also want to thank you particularly for the rapid testing kits, which you have now made available to us.
According
where this will enable them to restock their inventory. 1 minute. Wait, your society. Your society. Every one you hear what he said? He said what this Chinese brought will enable them to restock their inventory. Number one, Edo State have less than 20 COVID-19 patients. Who are all these spirit COVID-19 people that took the inventory on me? A store. A calavio ya do calculate. Inventory me wow, manager. They will come and check how many equipment you have used, how many injections you don't give, how many patients you don't. So Obaseki say he get less than 20. Where did he spend 1.something billion? So now, anyone let us play it. This man, Godwin Obaseki, he's the most evil man I've ever seen in my entire life. But evil. How can you just took 1.something billion and you have less than 20 patients of COVID-19? You are not saying that what Chinese brought will enable you to reboost your warehouse for what inventory. Obaseki, stop using grammar to deceive Edo people. Huh? Stop using grammar. Stop it.
Wamudia. Mona share mo waga me ano de Nigeria. Mona share mo ano de America de o. Madam Yoy, listen.
So this is going to help us restock our inventory, which was already going down. We also want to thank you particularly for the rapid testing kits, which you have now made available to us.
According to the state governor, the items will help the state governments to curtail the spread of coronavirus. He called on other corporate bodies to emulate Chinese embassy and the Yongxin Steel Company Nigeria Limited and donate towards the fight against COVID-19.
We now know, more than ever before, that you are our real friends. You are not the only company or foreign company that operates in Edo State, but out of concern and love for us in Edo State, you have today come here and generously given us one of the largest donations and contributions we have received in our fight against COVID-19. Because you have had experience as a nation in dealing with this pandemic.
Earlier, the Deputy Managing Director, Yongxin Steel Company Nigeria Limited, Benin City, Mr. Frank Wang, said Nigeria and China are partners. He said the gesture is part of the company's corporate social responsibility.
A few days ago, we have donated some food and pandemic prevention supplies to our host village to help them get through this difficult days. Today, here, we are to donate this pandemic prevention materials to Edo State government, and we have more aid-bounding plans for Edo State in the future. Over the years, we have loved this land as much as...
You hear the Chinese? In the future, this is planned. Obaseki has nothing to lose. In the future, if you cannot fight with you cannot fight with strangers that are coming and less than 100 people, how can you fight with 1 billion Chinese people? Is it a fight Edo State or Nigeria can fight? Nigeria cannot even fight with Boko Haram. 1.4 billion. You see the China, make it just be Benin. Moku no say, na Benin want, Obaseki don't teach them Benin.
The people of Edo State with action to fulfill our responsibilities as a company.
The Edo State Governor also called residents of the state to continue to maintain all government directives to curb coronavirus, which include social distancing, regular hand washing with soap under running water, stay-at-home order, and dusk-to-dawn curfew imposed by the state government and others. Patience Osaugiwa.
My people, you see that? He said that is the largest help he have received. That they know that that company, Chinese company, these are the same Chinese consulate that orchestrated Gelegele fraud, industrial park fraud, and many other fraud that the Chinese embassy are committing with Nigeria. Kickback. Now, I want YouTube people, as you are watching YouTube, share this video. I want you to watch it. Watch this. Let's show YouTube people. God bless artists.
Receiving the relief materials, which include 350,000 pieces of face mask, 18,000 pieces of rapid testing kits, 10,000 medical hand gloves, 200 cartons of disinfectants and 40 sprayers, Governor Godwin Obaseki appreciated the Chinese embassy and the Yongxin Steel Company Nigeria Limited for their support in the fight against the coronavirus pandemic in the state.
You are giving us 350,000 pieces of face masks. We really appreciate this. It will go a long way in our current efforts at screening, because everybody who goes to screen in our screening centers, we normally give them a mask and hand sanitizers. So this is going to help us restock our inventory, which was already going down. We also want to thank you particularly for the rapid testing kits, which you have now made available to us.
According According to the state governor, the items will help the state governments to curtail the spread of coronavirus. He called on other corporate bodies to emulate Chinese embassy and the Yongxin Steel Company Nigeria Limited and donate towards the fight against COVID-19.
We now know, more than ever before, that you are our real friends. You are not the only company or foreign company that operates in Edo State, but out of concern and love for us in Edo State, you have today come here and generously given us one of the largest donations and contributions we have received in our fight against COVID-19. Because you have had experience as a nation in dealing with this pandemic.
Earlier, the Deputy Managing Director, Yongxin Steel Company Nigeria Limited, Benin City, Mr. Frank Wang, said Nigeria and China are partners. He said the gesture is part of the company's corporate social responsibility.
A few days ago, we have donated some food and pandemic prevention supplies to our host village to help them get through this difficult days. Today, here, we are to donate this pandemic prevention materials to Edo State government, and we have more aid-bounding plans for Edo State in the future. Over the years, we have loved this land as much as the people of Edo State with action to fulfill our responsibilities as a company.
The Edo State Governor also called residents of the state to continue to maintain all government directives to curb coronavirus, which include social distancing, regular hand washing with soap under running water, stay-at-home order, and dusk-to-dawn curfew imposed by the state.
As you can see, the Chinese company, they even call Edo State better than some Edo citizens. My people, I am out today to let you all know the truth. Governor Obaseki do not mean well for Edo people. Governor Obaseki, he only have, according to him, less than 20 COVID-19 patients. Why will China come to a place where there's no coronavirus and leave place like America, leave place like London, UK, leave place like France, Spain, and the rest, and they are looking for village? Why did he not go to, even Lagos refused to accept it? Lagos people protested against it, but Benin people, now they fit talk. They could not protest. Obaseki, you know, when he wanted to do it, he took them to Sadebe Avenue inside government house. Does that not sound fishing for you? So how long am I going to continue to talk to people, a lot of people that don't have brain? How long? How long? You know? Very soon the only thing you're going to hear me to talk about here is about this 2020. That's it. Edo State gubernatorial election. That's it. So, if you love your family, me, my family are here. I have a Edo family. That is why I'm online. If you love if you are people that really know what to call your people, make una not let them enter on our community. If na osaeru cancel on I carry the con, the cancel on it, giasan you are. If case not take a cancel on it, what within it? If they call Orogo, make una just make sure una ready for them. If the Obaseki not take a near Orion at all. I urge every Edo people to come out, Edo North, Edo South, and Edo Central, to condemn this killing vaccine. Listen to the English that he used. Let me read it out for you. Give me a second. You know the English Obaseki used? Obaseki said Chinese people brought decontamination. Have you ever found decontamination equipment? If you have decontamination vaccine, America would have been using it. We don't have it. The whole world have nothing to use against coronavirus. America don't have it. China themselves, what they did in Wuhan, whatever they call it, China, their biochemistry lab that created this problem. 5G, they want to come and test it on innocent black Edo people. How many children of Obaseki you get for Benin want to test them? You don't get. Error. Not be say not feel born. Because you choose to be a gay that do not like children. There are some good gay who love children. Evil dog, Obaseki hate dog. Animal, he hate animal. He hate human being. Godwin Obaseki is nothing but a user. Let me read what he said. He said today he received 350,000 face masks. Imagine, what did he spend 1 billion for? So he already knew that they were going to bring this thing. They were already in business with them. He decided to rush and said he spent 1 billion plus, over 1 billion. A guy around, Ojida Wanome, she, a man now Obaseki, a real criminal. Then he said it's 10,000 pairs of medical gloves. 10,000 pairs of medical gloves. 18,000 pieces of a test kit. Where did Obaseki spend money on? Can I do people ask that question? Can people ask that question? Why did Godwin Obaseki always know how to get away with things? Does that mean that I don't know what is going on in Benin? Sometimes I begin to imagine myself. Begin to wonder, is this the same state I was in 1980, 1970s? And 1990s are already gone. 93 I left Nigeria. 1980s and 70s. Is this where I was? What is going on in Edo State? How come Edo people, most of them, cannot even think and understand the difference between evil and good person? What is going on? Coronavirus is not up to according to Obaseki, say in Orange 15. What do you concern China? They carry trailer load of killing equipment. Who made that glove? So, my people, I have said it all. Those that have ear, let them hear. If you think you want to come out and speak rubbish, you want to promote Godwin Obaseki, even in the north, let me show you the protest against the Chinese.
Yau kuma Plateau State abin da ake kenan kuma wannan gaskiya ne to talakawa ba su so ba gajiya ba to ba to
sauki yau kuma plateau state abin da ake yi kenan kuma wannan gaskiya ne to talakawa ba su so gajiya ba kare wani kwacin to ubangiji Allah kiyaye to wannan abu yanzu
even the Fulanis are rejecting equipment from Chinese. Do you think terrorists Abatobase will come out and tell you the truth when his brother is a SSA to the governor? He's on payroll. He's a terrorist team. They are working with the governor. He can never come out and tell you the truth. Terrorists Abatobase will never come out. His wife and his children, they feed on your taxpaying money. Ariobari Vaene. Ocho when alelo baseki, egboy when alelo baseki, yen when alelo baseki, all the time we go baseki ma. Now why for some people? Thank you, Idris and Iyore of London. God bless you. You can imagine that. So my people, even come on, look at America. America they don't have anything to use to cure corona. There is no way they can prevent it. It's spreading as we talk. How did China come? America is taking China to court. They are investigating them. But China choose to run to Africa to test, to use their equipment. Watch me on YouTube. Meet me on YouTube. So we have to end the Facebook. Those that are on Facebook, we have to end it. I am tired. I'm tired. I have never seen set of people my entire life that behave like evil monkey are more smarter than them. Monkey, some Nigerian youth. Monkey is even more smarter than them. Even gold, meh. Fulani are smarter than them times 200 times. Even the RDP camp people, they are smarter than them 1 million times. Now how today drink beer? How today come out? That's it. Those that want the betterment of your people, that is who they fight against. If Abacha wake up from grave today and run for Nigeria president, he will win. They will vote for them. That is how they are. They will vote for if Abacha wake up from grave today and decide they want to run against Muhammad Buhari, Nigeria, they will say na Abacha. I saved them. The Nigerian youth, that is how their brain is it have already went 180 degrees on the other side of the planet. You are hearing me? You heard me? If Sonny Abacha, General Sonny Abacha, honor Pakbeviti, here our president, if you to the they will tell you now God, now he send that from heaven, make it come save them. Until go. As he's killing them, they will tell you say now the evil one they kill. You hear me? Indian Army, if Indian Army come Nigeria, many people will tell you say now from Samoba Road now he come. They go name her Idiamoya. They go name her Indian Army of Uganda. Benin people, they go change her. They go change the name to Idiamoya. Idiamoya. They will tell you say they not call her when now they call her Indian Army. That is how worst we have become. How long? How long are we going to continue to live this life? How long? Oh, don't be surprised one day you will not see me. Remember when I told you people, I said a time will come that I will start supporting this politician. You will have nothing to regret, but you will regret why you did not support me. And when it comes to that time, very soon, you will hear it. I'll be singing Buhari. I'll be dancing, singing Buhari very soon. Una I go clear. You hear what I'm saying? So, my people on Facebook, Thank you. You might want to come to YouTube. We are going to be on YouTube for the next 20 minutes. Thank you. God bless you. Governor Godwin Obaseki is a problem to Edo State and remain a problem. Even to the food that is sharing. There's this small boy, that did a video on what Governor Obaseki did. I heard that terrorist Abat Obase is threatening his life. Make it go try him. Obase is nobody but a rat. He's a goat terrorist. He's a rat. Now only people when they kill, now he know how to kill. He know how to. Let me tell you, he go threaten their life. They go make you go try him. See what this boy report.
So you guys should want address. So now I hold the water till they cool myself. Because I don't receive the video since how many days now, and the thing they pain me. But I said today I go address her. Your Excellency, sir, Governor Godwin Obaseki, I shocked when they tell me say, now waiting you can't share for my village. Now this.
Two packets of it, don't not enough. I think airport table. I'll sit back on dinner. I'll keep it 40 naira. On our beast.
Film whatever we are doing.
On our beast. On our Israel.
No, now you say think am. Not be say this thing when you share now they give every home like that. The way you take bring and say you give them one. They just use back quarter, not even reach half. They bring something for the full community. Say this one for the whole Ebohimi. No, now you are my governor and I love you so much. I respect you a lot because I know how many people get injury and I know how many people when get one or two things during the when they fight for you. Because even somebody when not win election.
After this video, terrorists Abat Obase started threatening this boy. I got the complaint yesterday from Italy. They started threatening him. How many people Abat Obase is going to kill? How many people? So, my people, meet me on YouTube. God bless you. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube, join us
on YouTube.